Hello, dear students. Hope you're doing well. I am Ms.Marcel, class teacher of 2nd grade in Kurd School. Today we are going to learn the sounds of Y. Actually, in English, we have 4 sounds of Y. But now we are going to learn only 2 of them. We have 2 sounds of letter Y. Y can sound like long E, and sometimes Y can sound like long I. Letter Y can be pronounced as long E, as in city, city. Focus how I am reading the letter Y, city. The letter Y is pronounced as long E, city. And sometimes letter Y can sound like long I, sky, sky. Focus on the letter Y, how it's pronounced. Sky, I. And now we are going to learn some words or examples where letter Y can sound like long E, as in pony. What is pony? The little horse. Pony, pony. The letter Y is pronounced as long E. Please focus and listen more carefully when I will read the words, and listen how the letter Y is pronounced as long E. Pony, baby, baby. The letter Y is pronounced as long E. Baby. City, city. The busy place. City. Muddy, muddy. To be dirt with mud. The letter Y is pronounced as long E. Muddy. Key, key. Money, money. Puppy, puppy. The letter Y is pronounced as long E. I will read the words for you again. Please listen very carefully. Pony, pony. Baby, baby. City, city. Muddy, muddy. Key, key. Money, money. Puppy, puppy. And now we are going to learn the examples where the letter Y can sound like long I, as in dry, dry. What is dry? Is hanging your clothes under the sun in order to be dry. The long I. Letter Y is pronounced as long I. Fly, fly. The letter Y is pronounced as long I. Cry, cry. Well, the baby is not happy, so the baby is crying. Cry. Fry, fry. And what is fry? To fry food is to cook it in very hot oil. Fry. Spy, spy. Who spy? Someone who wants to know information about the others. Spy, where the letter Y can sound like long I. Spy. Sky. Sky. Listen very carefully. I will read it for you again. Dry. Dry. Fly. Fly. Cry. Cry. Fry. Fry. Spy. Spy. Sky. Sky. Dear students, now I will explain these sentences where the letter Y can pronounce as long I or long E. Number 1. Can you hear the baby cry? The word cry, where the letter Y in these words can pronounce as long I. Cry. Number 2. The city is a busy place. Busy. The letter Y in word busy is pronounced as long Y. Busy. Number 3. Dad will try not to be late. Try. The letter Y in this word can pronounce as long I. Try. I. Try. Number 4. It is muddy after it rains. Muddy. Letter Y here is pronounced as long E. Number 5. My brother takes good care of his new puppy. Puppy. Letter Y here is pronounced as long E. Puppy. Number 6. Elise is happy when she reads. Happy. The letter Y is pronounced as long E. Happy. Number 7. Molly reads us a story. Story. The letter Y here is pronounced as long E. Story. E. Number 8. Josh told us a silly joke. Silly. Silly. Number 9. Do you know how to fry an egg? Fry. The letter Y here is pronounced as long I. Beautiful students, here are the key words. Write it on your book and study well. Listen very carefully. Hope you get benefit. Don't forget, wash your hands and stay clean and healthy. Have a nice holiday. Bye bye.